Hello everyone and welcome to the Literacy Center language tutorial. This is Meghna and today we are going to talk about clauses in a sentence, and this is the last part in the series. This is part 5. So let's dive in. In all our previous tutorials so far on clauses in a sentences, we learn that every clause has at least one subject and one verb. Other characteristics will help us distinguish one type of clause from another. And we looked at main clause or independent clause, subordinate clause, or we also call it dependent clause, adjective clause or relative clause, noun clause, and in the last tutorial we talked about adverb clause. So for adverb clause, we learn what do we understand by this. An adverb clause or adverbial clause is a clause that works as an adverb in a sentence. Its role is to show place, time, condition, degree, and so on by answering questions like where, when, how, and why. Just like an adverb, it modifies other parts of a sentence to add more details to it. Simple. And we also ended that tutorial by knowing that we can also categorize the examples of adverb clause according to certain type of those. For example, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of manner, adverbs of conditions. How? What do we understand by all these? In this tutorial, we will see some examples of adverbs of time, place, manner, and condition to understand this more clearly. So let's dive in there and try to see and explore the examples to understand these. First, let's talk about adverb clause of time. Adverb clauses of time tell us about when something happens. We can use conjunctions like when, whenever, before, after, as, while, until, as soon as, and since. Can we see some examples to understand this one? Look at this example here. I stopped running when I saw my friend. Here, when shows that something happened at a certain time. That's why we call it adverb clause of time. What about adverb clauses of place? Adverb clauses of place tell us about where something happens. We can use where, wherever, and everywhere, and so on. Look at this example for this one. Wherever I go, I always see McDonald's. Here, a word wherever is telling us where something happens. That's why we call it adverb clause of place. What about adverb clause of manner? Adverb clauses of manner show us how something happens, and they usually begin with the words like, as though, or as if. Look at this example for this one. She looked as though she was in pain. So here, if you look at the words as though is showing us how something happens, how she was in a pain. And what about adverb clauses of condition? Adverb clauses of condition tell us about the circumstances under which something happens. And these clauses often begin with if, unless, or provided that. Look at this example for this one. I only watch TV if my favorite show is on. So here, if is telling you the circumstances. I would watch that favorite show for me. So here I am saying I only watch TV if my favorite show is on. So here we are using if to explain the circumstances under which I am going to watch TV. As simple as it could be. So if you have any questions or if you need any help, you can text us or you can email us and we will get back to you. Thank you.